G'day, it's Phil here, and welcome back to my channel. Today we've got a mail call, because I've got a few pieces of mail from viewers, and I've got a couple of other pieces of mail that might be of interest to people, just some purchases that I've made over the last couple of weeks. So let's get into it. I'm going to show you my first letter, and then we're going to go through it and individually see what people have been sending me. So what have we got here? Let's see if we have a letter. We do have a letter. Well, it's a letter from a viewer. It says, "Hey Phil, I hope you're doing well. Thanks for all the great videos. As a token of my appreciation, I've sent over a couple of coins and some silver for your challenge. That way you don't have to have a dud month. I also recommend to you and the viewers M.R. Roberts' Vineyard Coin Center for their coin catalog USB. I'm not affiliated nor sponsored, but this has been an invaluable tool for values, cataloging, and even better detailed descriptions on errors and varieties. It also has banknotes. As of currently, it is available online. Either way, have a good one and keep up the great work. Regards, Kebab King." Well, Kebab King, thank you very much. I have heard of M.R. Roberts and Vineyard Coin Center, so if anyone's interested, you can have a look at this flyer. Just use the details on the flyer. I've bought from M.R. Roberts, certainly. I've not been to their website in a while, but I don't know about that particular product. And so he's also sent through a little bit of silver. What have we got here? We have a 1942 threepence in a plastic sleeve. We have some world coins as well. We will have what looks like 100 yen from Japan, a Canadian 10 cents, as well as what is Bank Indonesia 1996, 100 rupees, and this coin I do not know where it comes from. Syrian Arab Republic, 25 Syrian pounds. So, Kebab King, thank you very much for your generous gift and your letter. I'm sure there'll be something that I can do for you in the future that will be of interest to a lot of people. Now I have another package that came in today. It's from Andrew. I'm not sure what Andrew sent me, but we'll see if we can crack this one open. This one might be a bit harder to get open. Seems to be in roll format. I don't want to cut anything to do with the letter. We'll see how we go. We're nearly there. Hope you enjoy these coins. I collect $2 coins. Thank you, from Andrew Carter in Whyalla. So thank you, Andrew. And he has given me a return address, which is fantastic. We'll take that off to the side. And he sent me a whole heap of $1 coins. That's fantastic. $1 coins, which look like Great Aussie Coin Hunt number 3 coins. Oh, it does look like Great Aussie Coin Hunt number 3 coins. We have a Y for Yarra Valley. G for Great Ocean Road. An E for Echidna. N for Nullarbor Plain. C for cockatoo, M for magpie. Or maybe I'll put that to the side and I'll get one of my Ep13 folders and see how many good old Andrew has sent me. Just hang on a second. Well, Andrew looks like he might have tapped out his whole Ep13 collection because he sent me nearly every one in the series. I've got A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, missing J, K, L, M, N, O, Q, S, T, U, V, X, Y, and Z. And he sent me an extra N for Nullarbor Plains. Which is fantastic. Andrew, thank you very much. It's very, very kind of you to send so many coins to me. I love it. But please, you don't have to send coins to me. I'm happy to have a letter of appreciation or something like that. But thank you very much. This will go into the wider collection, and I'll try and fill that up with other coins that are not on camera or are doubles from my video collection. But thank you very much, Andrew. Much appreciated. Now we'll get into a few pieces of mail that were from my personal endeavours. I'm looking to fill up some of the gaps in my collection. Here I have a $2 police remembrance coin with a C mint mark. So there we have it there. It's the C mint mark $2 uncirculated police remembrance day coin. It's a fantastic coin. I don't have that in my collection. I have many police, but not a C mint mark. So that's definitely for the wider collection. I've got another one here. Very well packaged. And this one will be a bit harder to get out, actually. If this is what I think it is, yes, this is a carded Brave, the 2020 C mint mark. Yes, C mint mark of the Brave, the $2 from 2020. It's not a bad flame angle there. I didn't have this one. I had the uncirculated on a card, but not the C mint mark. So a couple of the most recent ones I haven't been able to get because they have been so quickly sold out, really, and I've had to pay from the secondary market to get those coins. And then the last one of these is 100 years of repatriation. So again, a C mint mark, 100 years of repatriation, bringing them home. So there we have it. We've only got one more piece of mail to go. And the last bit of mail will be of interest to a number of people who've been waiting for this for some time. Oh, that's not great. Oh, that's not great. So hopefully if I can get into this one, we can have a look. What have we got here? We've got, thank you for your team stickers. So finally, Phil gets his own channel stickers. I know people have been asking, when's the channel stickers coming, Phil? They're here now. So, Phil finds and collects. I haven't rebranded. I haven't changed the logo. Put a bit of extra bling on it, but generally it's going to be the same as I created it. So they'll go around. Anyone who sent me anything and I still have their address is going to get one of these, and I'm going to send them around to a few places. But there we have it. It's finally got some channel stickers. Hopefully they're of good quality, and they do the job. They should stick. I know that they don't have a border, so it could be a little bit of a hassle to get them sticking, but yeah, we'll see how that goes. Anyway, that's what it is. So I'll send those around. So thank you anyone who have sent me any mail. Love to get mail. Like I said, you don't have to send me any coins. A letter of appreciation, or just telling me what you do or how the video channel has affected you would be lovely. But thank you very much for watching. I'll be back probably tomorrow with more videos. So I'll see you then. Bye.